Are you looking for the perfect CAD software? Let's break down Ondsel and Solidworks in a quick head-to-head. First, we have Ondsel. It's a cloud-native, open-source CAD platform built on FreeCAD, designed for accessibility and collaboration. Ondsel offers parametric modeling, assemblies, and drawings with a focus on being cost-effective, free for individuals and affordable for teams. Its cloud workspace allows real-time collaboration across devices, no heavy-duty hardware needed, but it's still evolving with fewer advanced features. SolidWorks from Dassault Systems is an industry-standard CAD software used for over 25 years. It's a desktop-based solution with robust tools for 3D modeling, simulation, sheet metal design, and more. SolidWorks excels in complex engineering tasks and integrates with a vast ecosystem, but it requires powerful hardware and a pricey license. So, how do they stack up? Ondsel shines for startups, hobbyists, and small teams needing affordable cloud-based collaboration. It's easy to access but lacks the depth of SolidWorks' advanced simulation and industry-specific tools. SolidWorks is the go-to for professionals in aerospace, automotive, or manufacturing where precision and ecosystem integration are key, but it's costly and less flexible for remote work. Choose Ondsel for budget-friendly collaborative design with simple projects, and pick SolidWorks for complex, high-stakes engineering with proven reliability. Your call depends on your project scale and budget. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.